In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometimes, or some of the people move backward instead of making the progress, they do make the regress. Instead of developing further, moving ahead, they move backward. Or some of the people, they fail to make any achievement, they fail to make any progress. Why is it so? While another some of the people who started at the same time, the people who were almost familiar, then there came a big difference. Some of the people will start in a much lesser position, status, but they do keep going ahead, they keep moving forward, they keep developing, they keep making progress. Why is it so? Why is it so? That is going to be the topic of today's discussion. In my opinion, it is the decisions, the quality decisions, the healthy decisions, the decisions we make. It is the decisions we make which decide everything else, almost everything else about our life. Some of the people do say that it is the fate, that it is the luck, that it is the destiny which derives us. I'm not against it. I'm not against it. But simultaneously, I do say that whatever lies in our own hands must be done correctly and must be done properly. Must be done correctly, must be done properly. It is important. I believe that if at all we do adopt an approach like this one, the things will start getting better. It is our decisions actually. It is our decisions which brings the changes in our life. The good changes, the healthy changes, the bad changes, the negative changes. It is the changes in our life which are brought forward, which are being made by the decisions we make. It is the decisions we make actually which are of ultimate importance, which are of paramount importance. The decisions we make, many of us do make the decision based on their ego, and other many of us do base their decisions in a haste without doing proper work. Many of us do make their decisions in a greed. There is a kind of excessive greed in the decisions of some people. There is an excessive ego, bias, prejudice in the decisions of another some of the people. There is a haste, being shirker, failing to do the homework properly, failing to prepare thoroughly, and then also last but not the least, there is another reason as well. And this reason is that we fail to avail the knowledge we don't have, but certain other people do have, the information we don't have, but certain other people do have, the skills and the experience we don't have, but certain other people do have. It is far better, and far better if at all we do avail their knowledge, their information, and their skills. It is very important indeed. We must be very much eager to take the opinion of the other people, not the opinion of one person alone. Rather, we need to take the opinion of more than one people, but all of those people should be somewhat skilled, should be somewhat having knowledge and exposure of that particular thing, the thing we are going to make the decision about. So the decisions actually, it is our decisions, it is the quality of our decisions which either makes us or breaks us. The quality of our decision. We must remain cool headed, cool minded. We must be very much cool minded. Cool minded means no anger, no anger, no anger, and nothing like emotions. Be as cool as possible. I'm not suggesting that we need to become careless and we shouldn't be taking care of the interests of the other people, or we shouldn't be thinking win win. This is not what I am suggesting. We do need to think win win. We must be very careful and cautious, not about the interest of ours only, rather about the interest of the other people. We should always think about the win win. We should not never become careless. We shouldn't become dishonest at all. We need to maintain our honesty, and we need to maintain our cool headedness at the same time. Must maintain our honesty, must maintain our cool headedness at the same time. This is really important. This is really important. Our decisions are actually either making us or breaking us. We need to understand it. We need to understand the importance of decision making. If at all we do understand the importance of decision making, I believe that our decisions will become good one. But if at all we don't know the importance of decision making, if at all we are of the view it is not the decisions but the luck but the destiny which is either moving us forward or moving us backward, I think if at all we do have an opinion like this one, if at all we do have a psyche like this one, I believe that we cannot develop at all. Believe that we cannot move forward at all. We will be rather making regress instead of making the progress. We will be getting, we will be going heading backward instead of heading forward. None of us want to become underdeveloped. None of us want to become undeveloped. None of us want to make the regresses, and none of us want to move backward. All of us want to move forward. But we must remember is, what we must remember is that it is actually our decisions. It is actually our decisions which will either make us or break us, which will either take us forward or will take us backward. It is the decisions, and the decisions. But I shall say nothing but the decisions. The more good we are at making the decisions, the more good we are at implementing our decisions, I believe that we will become more and even more successful. But unfortunately, if at all our decisions are not good one, or the quality of our decisions is bad, then there is no option left but to move from backward and to keep moving backward, to show regress and to keep showing the regress. This is how our life become, because our decisions are actually a mold. And if our decisions are actually a mold, and if at all the mold is a good one, we will become good. If at all the mold is a bad one, we will become bad as well. Thank you. Jazakallah.